back to the pink envelope. I am super excited to unbox my third DecoCrated box. DecoCrated is a quarterly home subscription box where they send in a variety of home decor items. Most of the items are double-sided so they can be used multiple times. Easy enough to make it until your next quarterly box comes in. And they're themed based on the season. So this is the fall 2019 box. So if you are a subscriber and you haven't gotten your box, maybe hold up so I don't ruin it for you. If you are considering subscribing to DecoCrated, stay tuned so you can kind of get a concept for what comes in their boxes. This is my third one, so feel free to link back to the past two boxes. I will be getting another one because I subscribed for a year. And so you can see what a year of DecoCrated looks like. On top is always wrapped this cute with your little envelope on top. Each box is $79.99, but it has over $200 worth of value in it. And I have my laptop over here because I just can't remember everything, but each box comes with free shipping and a free gift is included with your subscription. And I know they honor a discount. Yeah, here it is. If you buy a year in advance, you do not pay $319. You only pay $287. So they give you an additional discount on top of that, which I personally think is really, really cool. This is so cute. It says, "Hey there, pumpkin." And then the other side says spooky. So I'm gonna take a frame that I have laying around the house here, unless they gave me one. And I'll start with Halloween. Actually, honestly, I'll start September 3rd with this one. Then I'll swap in October to this one. And then I'll swap back in November to this one. And this is just one item that comes in. They always have their magazine that talks about all the items in the box, shows you how to set them up and gives you ideas. I don't want to look at this because I really love the element of surprise of opening it, so I'm not peeking. So let's dive in and see what we got. I received messages from a lot of y'all asking me to show off my DecoCrated items in my home. So after I pull out these items, I'm gonna show you, I think I actually have both my spring and summer still in the house because I thought they looked cute. Them throughout my house, and if some of these items fit, I'll show you how I'm replacing them. So make sure you stay tuned to the end so you can see how I decorate with my DecoCrate items. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. So of course, I don't know the other items that are in here that can integrate with this, but already my mind sees gourds and baby pumpkins piled all inside this. This is very, very cute. All right, so they have everything in here is packed very, very well. Like things don't shift around, everything's in boxes. So they have these filler empties, ones that you can always just toss to the side. And I take everything to the recycling each week. Let's see what's in here. The packaging is so good. Just so y'all will know, this is my third box. I've never even received a damaged item. Definitely not a broken item. Everything comes in perfect because they package so well. And I'm obviously a huge subscription box fan. So I end up with a lot of packaging at the end of each week from my boxes coming in. We repurpose it here in the house for kids' projects. We also take these items to their schools to repurpose, and we optimize our local recycling center. It's super easy. So this says, "Welcome to our home." And then when you rotate it, it says, "Gather here with a grateful heart." Y'all, that is so cute. So now you're seeing what I'm talking about whenever I say that their stuff is multi-use. It is one item, but obviously it's really kind of two. Okay, let's see what's in here. this side says thankful, and this side says pumpkin sweets, spooks, and treats. This will look so cute by my coffee bar. My coffee bar, hint, hint, hubby, that he's gonna be building for me real soon. He edits my videos. He needed to hear that. Little friendly wifey reminder, right? Empty? Okay, let's see what's in here. That is so cute. Oh, what is back here? Okay, hold on. Hold on. This is exciting. Okay, I'll show you that in a second. Let me show you this first. This is the board. Okay. So, all right. I gotta spell backwards, y'all. Isn't this so cute? And so it actually has hooks on the back. So you could hang this on a wall or you could set it like this, either way. That package says fall. Let's see if we can bust into these others and see what they say. This one says, boo. In your exclamation. Boo. Let's make that go away. And then we have one more. I'm not real creative. I'm like middle of the road, but I'm sure you creative people out there could even think of more things to do with these. This one says H, mercy, E, M, V. Oh, I don't know. Maybe you can use these to create other things. I'll look at my DecoCrated book in just a second. This is super, super, super cute. That is super exciting. Okay, let's see what's in this guy. Actually, what I'm gonna do just for space is pull this guy out and pull both of these out. What is this? It looks like a little table. Oh my gosh, it is a little table. Oh my gosh. So I'm already like, what can we do? I wish I had pumpkins or gourds in the house. If I had pumpkins or gourds in the house, this would be on like Donkey Kong right now. Let's bring him over here. Let's see what we can set up. I still have two more. This box comes with a ton of stuff. Two pillowcases. I only opened one of the boxes, and there's two pillowcases in there, and this color is, oh my gosh, I just flipped it over. Okay, hold on. I'm like a child who sees too many great things at one time and freaks out. Okay, so in that box was two items. Those items are reversible. This is one side of the pillowcase. This is the other side of the pillowcase. So cute. So cute. Okay. Y'all see me keep tugging at this shirt. I should have worn a more industrial shirt. And then this pillowcase is an accent. Same pattern on both sides. But I mean, so cute. Okay. So, dun, 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 dun. Last one. cute. Check it off this thing. This is super cute. So it has a hook to hang. Looks like this. Isn't that so cute? Love the colors. Love the colors. Okay, so now this is when I always dive into this guy. So the featured artist is always right here on the front, and it talks about who DecoCrated is. Talks about the style sheets and the key pieces. And then as you keep flipping, you can see how they have implemented the pieces in different designs. Isn't this so cute? And it goes all the way through. So if you're like me and you're just not really naturally creative, they've got tons of inspiration on how these pieces should look, could look. Of course, all you creative people can create just about anything. And then how to refer a friend, how to get rewards for referring a friend, and how to show off as you post these things and you share these things. How to share what you are doing with your DecoCrated box. Now to show you guys, let me tell you this. I have a coupon code for you. I have a couple of coupon codes. So look below in the YouTube description to gather those. And go to my blog if you want to. The codes are there also. But most importantly, give this video a like. That tells me that you've seen it, you've skipped through, hit the main points, whatever point you may be in. Give it a thumbs up because it's super encouraging not only for DecoCrated and the designers there, it's super encouraging for me as an unboxer. And we appreciate you showing the love. For those of you who have been wanting to see DecoCrated integrated into my current home, let's go check it out. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me put my DecoCrated into play here in my house. I have absolutely loved this box. If you love this video, give us a thumbs up and share the love. And I hope that you guys have an amazing day. We'll see you guys later. Bye y'all.